Hello, viewers. I'm Mr. Dilip Kumar Pal. Stand before you with a topic: goals of green technology. Goals of green technology. It is found in plus 3 6th semester ethics and value papers, second chapter. But before I discuss goals of green technology, I want to inform my viewers that my channel name is at the rate Dilip Kumar Pal 9375, where you will find videos of plus 2 level and plus 3 level. So far as plus 2 level is concerned, mainly political science videos of plus 2 first year and plus 2 second year are found in English and Odia. So far as plus 3 level is concerned, videos from plus 3 first semester to 6th semester politics and honors, and videos from plus 3 first semester to 6th semester ethics and values, and videos from plus 3 first semester to second semester political and general elective, and some environmental studies video of plus 3 first semester. All these videos are in Odia and English. Any video you will find in Odia, be sure its English version is also in the channel, definitely. And any video you will find in English, be sure its Odia version is also in the channel. And any video on any topic you want, just write my name Dilip Kumar Pal and the name of the topic in Google or YouTube. You will get both English video and Odia video. Let us start. Goals of green technology. What are the goals of green technology? Green technology means application of science and technology to safeguard the environment and reduce environmental degradation. Green technology means application of science and technology to safeguard the environment and reduce environmental degradation. Green technology means application of science and technology for the protection of environment or to safeguard the environment and reduce environmental degradation. So green technology is a technology which believes in the application of science and technology to safeguard the environment and reduce degradation to the environment. It means utilization of cleaner technologies that have minimal adverse impacts on environment. Green technology believes in the application of cleaner technologies which will have minimal adverse impacts on the environment. Green technology is so much important that it is given a place in the 7th goal of Sustainable Development Goals 2030, which was signed in 2015 to achieve 17 goals by 2030 to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure peace and prosperity for all people. Green technology is so much important that green technology is placed in the 7th goal of Sustainable Development Goals of 2030, which was signed in 2015, where there are 17 goals whose object is to end poverty, protect planet, and ensure peace and prosperity for all people by 2030. So green technology is so much important that it has been given a place in the 7th goals of Sustainable Development Goals of 2030, which are signed in 2015 by different nations, which had 17 goals. In 7th goal of Sustainable Development Goals 2030, about green technology, it is mentioned following things. In the 7th goal of Sustainable Development Goals 2030, about green technology, following things are mentioned. Number one, ensuring universal access to affordable, reliable, and modern energy services by 2030. It is mentioned in the seventh goal of Sustainable Development Goals of 2030 that ensuring universal access to affordable, reliable, and modern energies by 2030. It is mentioned that green technologies should be made affordable to all. Number two, it should be reliable. Means reliable means there should be consistency. People will get this green technology at any cost. And modern green technologies will be used. So ensuring universal access to affordable, reliable, and modern energy services by 2030. It means everyone, everywhere has access to energy that is affordable. A man can afford it in spite of his bad economic conditions. Dependable means energy will be available consistently, it will be available always. And modern energy like solar power, wind power in place of burning woods or kerosene. So it is mentioned that green energies should be made affordable. It can be affordable by all. Reliable, there must be consistency in the green technology, means people will always get it. And modern green technology like solar power, wind power in place of kerosene and burning woods. Number two, substantially increasing the share of renewable energy means significantly boosting the proportion of energy derived from renewable sources like solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal compared to fossil fuels by 2030 in global sphere. It is mentioned the second in the seventh goal about green technology. Second important thing is mentioned that continuous efforts must be made to boost green energies in the global market. In comparison to other energies, green energy effort must be made to give green energy a major share. Substantially increasing share of renewable energy means significantly boosting proportion of energy derived from renewable sources like solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal compared to fossil fuels, petrol, diesel, by 2030 in global sphere. It means effort must be made to give a major share to renewable energy in the global sphere in comparison to fossil fuels like petrol and diesel. Number three, enhancing international cooperation to facilitate access to green energy. Enhancing international cooperation to facilitate access to clean energy by 2030. It means all nations should assist each other in the sphere of development of green energies. Enhancing international cooperation to facilitate access to clean energy by 2030. It means all nations should assist each other. There should be international cooperations of all nations to access green technology. Fourth, expanding infrastructure and upgrading technology. Expanding infrastructure and upgrading technology to supply modern and sustainable energy services for all in developing countries, in particular least developing countries, small island developing states, and landlocked developing countries by 2030. It means effort must be made to expand infrastructures of green technologies by which all nations can access green technology, maybe developing or least developed, landlocked or island states. Expanding infrastructure and upgrading technology to supply modern and sustainable energy services for all in developing countries, in particular least developing countries, small island developing states, and landlocked developing countries by 2030. Effort must be made to develop the infrastructure and to upgrade green technologies so that all nations may be developing, least developing, landlocked, underdeveloped islands will get the benefit of green technologies. Now we'll discuss. We are clear here meaning of green technology, how green technology is given a place in sustainable development goals of 2030. Now we'll discuss goals of green technology. What are the goals of green technology? Number one, protecting the environment. The first goal of green technology is to protect the environment. It means green technology seeks to safeguard the environment from harm and degradation. The first goal of green technology is to safeguard the environment and protect it from any type of degradation and harm. Number two, repairing environmental damage. Another goal of green technology is to repair environmental damage. It aims to remediate or restore ecosystem that have been damaged. Another object of green technology is to restore the ecosystem which has been damaged. Number three, conserving natural resources. Another objective of green technology is to conserve natural resources, preserve natural resources. The conservation of earth finite, limited resources is a central goal. Its another goal is to preserve the finite or limited natural resources of the earth. Fourth, reducing environmental footprint. Footprint means carbon greenhouse gases. By using green technologies, greenhouse gases must be reduced. Another objective of green technology is to reducing environmental footprints, means to reduce greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide gases. Number five, eco-friendly practices. Another object of green technology is eco-friendly practices. Green technology prioritizes environmental friendly practices by reducing carbon emissions, resource consumption. Another object of green technology is to adopt eco-friendly practices. Means green technology prioritizes environmental friendly practices by reducing carbon emissions, resource consumption. It believes in eco-friendly practices. It means it wants to adopt those practices which are eco-friendly, means to reduce greenhouse gases and to reduce resource consumption. 6. Promoting green economic growth. Promoting green economic growth. It means another objective of green technology is to promote green economic growth or promoting green economic growth. It means encouraging economic growth while protecting the environment and natural resources. It means economic growth will be made in such a manner that environment will be protected and natural resources will be protected. 7. Improving the quality of life in harmony with nature. Another objective of green technology is to improving the quality of life in harmony with nature. It means there should be fairness to nature and other living beings. Another objective of green technology is that improving the quality of life in harmony with nature. Quality of life will be made in harmony with nature, means there must be fairness, there must be respect to environment, nature, and there must be respect to other living beings. 8. Reducing carbon emissions. Another object of green technology is to reduce carbon emissions. It means reduce carbon emission to combat climate change. Another object of green technology is to reduce carbon emissions, carbon dioxide, to combat climate change. It wants to reduce carbon emissions or carbon dioxide gases to have control over climate change. Then 9. Preserving resource for future generation. Another objective of green technology is to preserve resources for future generations. Green technology aims to preserve natural resources for future generations, including water, mineral, etc. Another objective of green technology is to preserve resources for future generations, including water and raw materials, minerals. Finally, 10. Creating a green world. Another objective of green technology is to create a green world. What is a green world? It means actively participating in preserving and enhancing natural world for current and future generations. Creating a green world, it means actively participating in preserving and enhancing natural world for current and future generation. Another objective of green technology is to create a green world. It means preserve the world. It means actively participate in preserving and enhancing the natural world. It means there must be active participation of all for preserving the natural world and enhancing the natural world to make the natural world more better. For whom? For the people of present generation and future generation. So in this video we have discussed goals of green technology. I want to inform my viewers that subscribe the channel so new videos will come to you. But the most important thing is aware of your friends, those who are in +2 and +3, about this channel, because till now many students are not aware of this channel, so they are not able to get benefits of this channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.